Hey, I'm Joe and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, the channel where you learn how to take care of your nails by yourself. In this video, I want to show you how I clean my nails. I will keep the round shape and I'll use a nude matte nail polish. I know I've been through the cleaning process of the nails with you so many times, but practice makes you better. So let me show you again how to clean your nails. First, you use this tool dedicated to nails to push your cuticles. When you're done pushing your cuticles, you remove from the surface of your nails the unwanted and unpleasant cuticles. After this, you will use a nail file to clean the cuticles from the sides of your nails. And when you're done with this step, you use another nail file to give the shape of your nail. In this case, I will keep the round shape. In order to finish with this cleaning part of your nails, you need to soften your cuticles in a bowl of warm water. You just leave your hands in it for a few minutes until the cuticles are hydrated and are easy to be removed. Then you just use some scissors to cut your cuticles. When you are done removing your cuticles with the scissors, you just use a buffer to clean the surface of your nail. Don't insist too much, otherwise you will remove a big part of your nail. Now let's get down to my favorite part, which is applying the nail polish. Before you apply the nail polish, you apply one layer of nail hardener. After this, apply 2 layers of nude matte regular nail polish. Let each layer dry properly before applying the next one. And when you're done with the nail polish, I strongly recommend you to use some oil for the cuticles to hydrate them. You just apply it on the cuticles. I hope this was a useful tutorial for you. You are one step closer of having your nails done by yourself at home. So I invite you to subscribe to my channel and to turn the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!